Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma G650. This printer is currently connected to a wireless network with mobile phone and is showing us online. I want to show you how to reset this printer. Select Setup menu, scroll to the side to Device Settings, select OK to Device Settings, scroll down all the way to Reset Settings, select OK. It will show you Web Service Setup. Scroll again, LAN Settings, Reset Data, All Data. If you want to reset all data, then select Reset All Data. This will reset the printer, then select OK. Reset Yes or No. Scroll and select Yes. Select OK. It will show you processing. And if you keep an eye on the mobile phone, it will show you offline once the printer is reset and the printer is offline. Then you can go back. So the printer is offline. So this is how to reset all settings, all data, so that you can go ahead and reconnect the printer. If you go back to the home page, then you set up the printer afresh. So this is how to reset the printer to factory default setting. Thank you very much indeed.